and then your device should find it. It should just kind of pop up on the screen, say Magic Keyboard. You can rename it if you want, but that's how to connect it. I'm not sure if it will pair while it's charging. Come to think of it, because I actually sold the Mac Studio, I wasn't feeling it. I got a Mac Air with the new M2, which I'm freaking loving. Might do a video on that later. But when I had this, on my desk, it was never plugged in when I used it. I just plugged it like overnight to charge, and then for the whole rest of the time that it existed, it was always unplugged, because I didn't want to have to use up a USB slot to always charge it. What's the point? It doesn't need to be charged perpetually like that. All right, so feel free to just rock with it wireless the way that it was intended.